Welcome to Muscat Science Fest Exhibition 2020. Welcome to booth number 10. My name is Aryan Jadhav. I am studying in Indian School Soha in class 10th. My project theme is Science and Technology to Combat Existential Threats. My project title is Highway Safety Lights. Now I'll present my PPT. Nowadays, driving has become a very tough situation. Drivers are not safe in their own cars. Accidents are caused and many people die every day. Accidents are caused mainly due to harsh weather conditions and unstable conditions of weathers. Due to this, every people can't see or visibility of the lights or the roads are very low. This is caused due to different types of conditions such as fog, rainy seasons, thunderstorms, etc. Our project is mainly based on alerting the drivers by alert lights fitted in the light poles, including different colors, which works on solar and stores extensional energies. This is sustainable. So whenever the alert lights automatically turns on, the drivers behind them can slow down their vehicles so that they can halt their vehicles on time before and avoiding the collision, and also preventing the injured person inside the vehicle from getting more injuries. So that in our project, whenever a car is under a collision, wreck or an accident, the alert lights automatically turns on, alerting the drivers behind them, and with different types of conditions, the lights turn themselves into different colors. This works on the principle of radar monitoring system, and this also helps in the emergency vehicles to arrive on time without alerting or calling them. This radars works on speeding. Whenever a car is at zero speed or no speed or at a halt, the alert lights automatically turns on. Our project works on the speed radar system. So whenever a car is at zero speed or at a halt, the emergency lights automatically gets turned on, and the drivers from behind can take a halt on their positions or slow down their vehicles before acting as another accident. So this radars work on software, and this softwares can be built by AI and machine learning technologies. This cars can also help in emergency situations. So whenever emergency vehicle is passing by, they have a control over the lights so that they can turn the lights back to emergency situation and back to normal. This also helps in avoiding the traffic by the emergency vehicles, also helping the other emergency situations and accidents. Our radars are already on place on their roads, and this radars have a visibility of a 150 meter to a 1.5 kilometer range. This helps in having a big range over the roads, and this also helps in detecting the collisions, accidents on their places at different levels or in different ranges, so no car is left invisible by the radars, and this helps them to automatically hit the trigger to light up the poles back to emergency. This reduces the cost, as the radars are just by a software update and automatically turns that lights back on. The highway safety lights also, the LED poles, and LED poles are sustainable, which work on solar panels. So these solar panels are, the highway lights can be upgraded by placing solar panels and LED lights which work on solar panels, making it sustainable. And these LED lights are present in different conditions at different situations so that they can be turned on and off by the emergency quarters immediately, and these lights are sustainable and friendly to the environment. These lights are available in different colors so that different situations like car collisions or accidents and emergency situation by the emergency vehicles can be identified immediately. Advantages of this situation are whenever crashed car or idle car or traffic, every vehicle can identify by the radar and the emergency poles get activated, which turns on the lights as per the condition or as per the situation of the road. Emergency services can automatically be warned by the radars so that the vehicles arrive on time before another accident or a collision is occurred. Other vehicles on the road are alerted so that they can slow down and take a halt in the positions or at sides so that the avoiding other car collisions and different weather conditions. This situation is also used by bad weathers. So whenever there is high fog or smog, this alert lights automatically gets turned on so that drivers are alert that there is a fog or high or a weather condition which is harsh, so that they can drive at a low speed, avoiding conditions for the drivers. This cost, the cost of our project is very low as the materials are present already on road. Just they need to be upgraded a bit so that the project is implemented. Thank you, and questions are welcome. Now I will explain my project and its working. So whenever a car crashes in middle of the road, the radars can immediately detect the speed of the car which is at a halt and immediately turns the lights to alert mode or emergency situation, so the cars coming from behind can take a halt, and this also includes still 10 poles behind the car so that the high speeding cars can stop at their positions or slow down immediately. Now during the situation of fog or a smog, the cars driving behind gets automatically alerted by the alert lights, as the radars can also detect different weather situations such as high rain or smog. This includes the alerting the driver by the alert lights present in our highways or roads, alerting the driver sitting inside the car so that they can slow down. Now during a situation where emergency vehicles arrives at the road. Whenever an emergency vehicle is arriving at the road, it has the power to turn the lights back to emergency situation so that the vehicles coming or vehicles in front of them can take a position inside of the road so that the emergency vehicle can pass the road like this. Emergency vehicle is arriving, the vehicles can take the positions inside of the road so that the emergency vehicle can pass easily through the road without having a break in between of them, so that they can reach their positions or destinations quickly during emergency situations. Now about design components. Our project mainly includes two main things, like the radar and the LED light panels. The radar works on high speeding, or which takes pics of or snaps of the emergency of the number plates, and also the LED light panels which work on solar panels which are eco-friendly, which can turn themselves into different colors on activations, and they work easily and do not require much maintenance. This is helpful as they are cheap, and radars are already placed on their roads, and they need to be just upgraded by a software or AI and machine learning technologies so that they can work in emergency situations like our project. Thus, I conclude that our project has ability to prevent daily accidents caused on highways and roadways. Thus, I thank you all and hope that you like my project.
Abir Hospital, healthcare you can trust. Now we know man. 20 years of care and concern. Multi-specialty hospital with surgical excellence. Round-the-clock emergency